In this chapter, we are going to learn how to schedule a story on Facebook and Instagram. Most of the time, we had been publishing our content using our on-page facility or our Creator Studio, but none of this is having a facility to schedule your stories. Stories can be published on Facebook and on Instagram. We have already seen that, but we are yet to see how we can schedule these stories. We had seen how to schedule a post, but we had not seen how to schedule a story because at that time we had yet not configured our business suite. So let's go to our business suite and see how we can schedule a story. So inside business suite, right over here, you can see create story button is available. We'll click that, and you need to decide where you are going to share this story. Is it only on Facebook or Instagram? If you want to schedule a story for both the platform, just tick mark both. So right now we have selected both the platforms. Now we'll add the media. So we have added one image for our story. You can see by default it will get placed center of the screen. This is how it is going to look on Facebook, and if you want to check the look on Instagram, just tap this and you will be able to see. Now over here, what things we can do? We can crop the image. Let's say instead of horizontal, if we want to showcase this particular image in square, that can be done. This image dimensions are not apt for 9:16, otherwise you could have cropped in vertical as well. So right now I'm going to keep it as original. Then I can decide what kind of text I want to add. For text, I will click this add text button. I can move this text area anywhere I like. Now I will say now I will change this font. Instead of Helvetica, we'll go for Roboto. By dragging this particular arrow, we can increase the size or decrease the size of text. Now over here, let's say I want to change color of the text. So what I am going to do is I will select the particular text and I will tap on this color. So the color of text will get changed, but this is not visible, so I need to select something from yellow or white. And if I want to add some kind of sticker to it, I can do that by clicking on this sticker tray. Let me say this amazing. Now if I have some kind of registration mechanism where people can go and avail this 2-week free trial, for that I will set up this swipe up link. I will say save. I will click on swipe up link, and here we'll enter our website address. Right now I have added the homepage link over here, but actually we should have a clear indication where a person would be registering, and we should give that particular website address over here. Now with this facility, you can see on Facebook, see more is appearing right over here, and on Instagram with swipe up, this particular link will be opened up. So now once you are happy with the layout, you can go over here and click on this drop down menu. From this, we'll click on schedule story. Now here we can select same time for both the things, or we can have a different time. Let's say this is today 9th June. Instead of 5, I would like to go for 6:47 p.m. and here instead of 5, I would like to go for 7:47 p.m. I will click save. So you can see over here to be scheduled for 9th, and the date and time is visible. Now I will click schedule story. It may take few moments to schedule the story, and this way you can schedule your story for Instagram, and for Facebook. So as we have already clicked on the schedule story, now let's reconfirm at what time this is going to be published. On left hand side menu, you can click on this posts and stories, and from this options click on stories. Over here you can see this three buttons: active, scheduled and archived. We'll click on scheduled, and we can see both the stories being scheduled. On Instagram it is scheduled today at 7:47, and on Facebook it is at 6:47. So yes, our stories will get published on this particular time. So now I hope you should be able to schedule stories on both the platforms. It's extremely easy. Just you need to remember that when you are scheduling stories from Business Suite on desktop, there are little bit limitations in terms of creativity. If you want to take maximum advantage of story features, then go for the native app. The only limitations over there is you cannot schedule with it, but yes, a lot of creative aspects can be used with that particular app. So you need to have a trade-off between these two things. If you are looking for creativity, use native app of Instagram, and if you want to plan something which is not requiring much of creativity, and let's say within this available features you are able to achieve your objective, then yes, definitely you should schedule a story. Do it, practice it on your profile and page. See you in the next video.